Hello, I'm heading to Hamad International Airport right now because we are flying again today. That is my bag. Uber will be here anytime soon. And today is Ramadan and we'll see kung ano ang magiging experience natin sa country na to because it's my first time also to go there and it is during Ramadan. So yeah, waiting na lang for Uber. Uber's here. So we go to Ligtifia Metro Station, ha? Nakarating na tayo sa Ligtifia Station. So isang line lang siya kasi red line. Yup. That is me. Actually, hindi ako gumagamit ng metro dito. So hindi ako sanay kung saan talaga. So let's explore together the Doha Metro Station. Alright, waiting na lang for the train. So currently we are in here, Ligtifia, and we are going to the airport. Alright, waiting for the train. Very clean siya. And empty. So we're waiting na lang for the train. Alright, so we reached already the Hamad International Airport Metro. Very convenient. Normally, it will take like 60 riyals from my place going to the airport. But ito, 2 riyals lang. Very cheap, efficient, and very effective. It will take 30 minutes from my place to the airport. So yeah, ito siya oh. Medyo maglalakad ka lang to the terminal. At meron naman silang walkalator. That is yours truly. And just like that, nasa airport na tayo. So we are flying with Qatar Airways. Let's check. Galing ano. Check in na tayo. Kasi open na yung counter natin for check-in. Walang kataw-tao. Kasi Ramadan ngayon. Ramadan. OA. Kasi Ramadan ngayon. Gusto naman ang Ramadan mo, sir. Ayun. Nakalampas na tayo ng migration and that's the iconic teddy bear. Oh, selfie dito sa teddy bear. So sa country of destination ko, bale, visa upon arrival. If you are a resident of Qatar, as long as valid ang resident ID mo for 6 months and valid ang passport mo for 6 months. So yun lang naman ang mga requirements. Yun lang naman ang chinek kanina sa check-in counter. I will reveal the country of the nation. I will reveal the country of destination. Ayun, may pa-reveal tayo. Mamaya, pag ando na tayo. Just so you know, Ramadan ngayon, pero may mga bukas naman yung coffee shop at saka mga restaurants dito. Like that, yun sa Flow Cafe. Bukas naman sila. So, maghanap na lang muna tayo ng makakapihan. Kasi medyo maaga ang punta ko sa airport. Medyo mabilis ang train, yung metro. Kanina, 30 minutes lang. Yeah, magkakape lang tayo, ikot-ikot. You know, Doha International Airport is one of the best airport in the world, or they are the best airport in the world in 2025. And maraming mga makikita dito. Mayroon silang garden, maraming mga options for restaurant and coffee shops. So meron ditong garden. Garden. And that is my gate D. Magandang spot na to kasi walang katao-tao. So hindi ka magigilty na umupo na matagal because bumili ako ng kape. Look at my spot. Tapos pwede ka mag-charge dyan. Diba? Wala kang kaagaw. And I got my coffee from Costa. It's just there. Boarding na. Landed to our country of destination. Welcome to Cairo, Egypt. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here. It's a last minute decision. And yeah, I'll be here for 5 days. Alright guys, naka-check-in na tayo. Hindi na ako nag-video sa airport because it's currently praying time. Hindi na ako nag-video sa airport. Baka ma-scam ako ng mga security doon. Sabihin nila na bawal mag-video, then they will ask money from me, which na need ko siya i-avoid. So low-key lang tayo. So naka-check-in na tayo. I'll show you the room. So 2 beds ang nandito. And this is the bathroom. Simple lang. And walang may kape, walang heater, walang water heater. Okay, so yeah, we'll just go to the rooftop. I'll show you kung anong meron doon. Wow, look at the view guys. You can see the pyramids already. Oh, amazing, no? Oh my god. Kilig. So, andito ngayon tayo sa Khan el-Khalili. Ito yung parang bazaar nila. Ito yung first cultural immersion natin sa Cairo, Egypt. Grabe yung mga dito. Aggressive. Ang mga sellers, very aggressive. So, dapat no eye contact, no my gosh. Okay, straight lang muna tayo. Dapat, if you want to buy something from here, you have to haggle the price so much na marunong ka talaga yung haggle skills mo dapat grabe, top notch. Okay, so the goal here is to see the area and grab a dinner. We'll see. So far okay pa naman. Hindi pa naman ako na-scam. Welcome to Cairo, Egypt, the land of pharaohs and pyramids. Amazing. So saan tayo kakain? Meron ditong na-recommend Merong na-recommend si Google dito, ChatGPT. Pero parang fishery or something. Paper rose, my God. Ang lamig dito, 17 degrees. Ah no, 15 degrees. Ang lamig ngayon. Puro bazaar, walang restaurant. Bawal mag-eye contact. Pag may nag-alok, sabihin mo lang, la syukran. Like, no, thank you. Okay, hanapin ko muna sa Google yung restaurant. So I ordered na lang grilled chicken and rice here. I followed where the locals are eating. Yeah. May mosque dito. Shukran, shukran. Easy target ako dito kasi syempre foreigner ako eh. Asian looking. Kaya grabe, may service charge na 15%. Pero 15% service charge. Bulagaan to mamaya. Ang presyo. Ang presyo mamaya is a prank. Bababulaga ka na lang. 15%, grabe. So this is my food. Grilled chicken, hummus, salad, and bread. Tapos na may rice, konti. Mangain. Kaunta. Wala ko stand, so I'll just finish this. Then walk a little bit and head back to my hotel. Kaon, first night in Egypt. So, tapos na ako kumain ng dinner. Underwhelming yung chicken, hindi siya masarap at medyo may kamahalan. I mean, compared sa Qatar na price. I mean, mura siya, but then mas mura sa Qatar. Siyempre, foreigner price. Ha? Inside? Okay. Sikat to na cafe na recommend siya ni Google or ChatGPT. So parang upo ka lang tapos may naglilibot, may nagpe-play ng music. It is like 10:32 in the evening and I am going home because it's very chaotic. No, I don't know if you can hear me, but my battery is empty and malooban na rin tong camera na to. So yeah, this is the situation right now. I'll book Uber here na lang. So I reached my accommodation na. It is 11:21 in the evening and tomorrow is another day. We're going to the pyramids. In the afternoon I'll go to the Grand Egyptian Museum. It's the new museum, huge one. So it's quite long day today. I mean, it's quite long day tomorrow. And man, Cairo is chaotic. Grabe. Basta, grabe. Drivers are insane. They don't follow the lane. May sarili silang lane. Bala sila. They are very aggressive to sell you something. So far, well, hindi pa naman ako na-scam. So far, I have good experience sa Uber. Tomorrow is the full day, so we'll see. And there's a lot of scammers in Pyramids of Giza. So let's see. Gullible pa naman ako. So, my God, Jack, good luck. So I'll end the vlog here. This is my room in Cairo, Egypt. See you tomorrow. Ciao.